Hello students, I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Today for our Grammar Monday activity, we are going to be looking at the differences between its and its. So what are the differences between its and its besides the apostrophe? Its, its, with no apostrophe, is a possessive form of the pronoun it, meaning belonging to it. This is used to indicate possession, ownership, belonging, etc. So remember, its with no apostrophe is possessive. Its, it'(s), is a contraction of the words it is or it has. A contraction is a shortened form of a word or group of words, with the omitted letters often replaced in written English by an apostrophe, as it does for the I in is and the HA portion of has. So in English, we like to smush sounds together when we speak to make it shorter. So remember, its is a contraction. It means it is or it has. So here's a little graphic, its versus its. The wrong use of its and is one of the most common grammatical errors that is made by both native speakers and those who are learning English as a foreign language. So this is why I want you to be better at this. So definition, its, no apostrophe, is a possessive determiner that is used when we say that something belongs to something. And its, it'(s), is a contraction of it is or it has. Here we have our first example, its, no apostrophe. The house, while old, really has its charms. Charms, the old house is possessive of its charms. Its, it'(s), he lost his toy, but he thinks it's in the doghouse. It is in the doghouse. Another example, its with the apostrophe is a contraction of it is or it has. Examples, it's great to see you. It is great to see you. It's been fun. It has been fun. Or it's clear to see. It is clear to see. And its without the apostrophe is the possessive form of it. Examples, the tree dropped its leaves. The pencil lost its point. And a robot recharged its battery. So for today's assignment, you're going to be doing the its versus its Google form. I've included a little guide up here to help you. 10 questions. Okay. Do your best, and please email me if you have any questions. Have a good day.